Now, the next chapter, part now, Bahadur Mamta. Chapter 9, Bahadur Mamta. That is brave Mamta. Mamta is a girl's name, small girl's name, Mamta. And Bahadur means brave. Satya par adharit katha. This is a story that is based on the true incident. This incident, it happened really. It's a true incident. It's a story based on that. Okay. So let's start. ममता दलाई 7 साल की थी. ममता दलाई शी वॉज 7 years old. वह मम्मी पापा और बड़ी बहन असंती के साथ ओडिशा के बनकल गांव में रहती थी. That is, she was staying with her family, that is her parents, mother and father, and with her elder sister Asanti. The elder sister's name was Asanti. They all were living together in Odisha in a village named Bankal. वह तीसरी क्लास में पढ़ती थी. She was studying in class 3. Who? Mamta was studying in class 3. ममता के घर के पास ही एक तालाब था. Near to Mamta's house itself, one pond was there. जहाँ अक्सर बच्चे नहाने व उछल कूद करने जाते थे. Where often the children used to go over there to have the bath or otherwise to play jump over there onto that pond. अप्रैल 2017 में एक दिन ममता भी अपनी बहन के साथ तालाब में नहाने के लिए गई. So one day, that is on one day, around April 2017, Mamata and her sister Asanti went near to the pond to have a bath over there. वैसे तो दोनों बहनें रोज वहां जाती थी. Always these two sisters used to go over that to the pond और खूब मस्ती करती थी and always had fun over there. लेकिन उस दिन जब ममता की बहन असंती तालाब में घुसी, बट ऑन दैट डे व्हेन असंती एंटर्ड इनटू द पॉन्ड, उसे अपने पैरों के पास कुछ खुरदरी चीज महसूस हुई. सो व्हेन शी एंटर्ड इनटू द पॉन्ड, हु सिस्टर असंती, व्हेन शी एंटर्ड इनटू द पॉन्ड, देयर नियर टू हर लेग शी फेल्ट समथिंग वेरी रफ थिंग लाइक शी फेल्ट ओवर देयर नियर टू हर लेग. जब तक वह कुछ समझ पाती, when she was going to understand something, एक बड़े से मगरमच्छ ने उस पर हमला बोल दिया. One big crocodile came and attacked her before she could understood anything. मगरमच्छ ने उसका एक हाथ अपने जबड़े में फंसा लिया था. What did the मगरमच्छ do? मगरमच्छ means crocodile. What did the crocodile do? The crocodile caught hold of Asan's one hand on its mouth, trapped her in its mouth. Asanti बुरी तरह डर गई. Asanti, she was very well frightened. She became scared. और जोर शोर से चिल्लाने लगी and started to scream loudly. ऐसा भयानक नजारा देखकर ममता हैरान रह गई. When Mamta saw this incident, she was very astonished. What to do? She was very shocked. पहले तो उसे कुछ समझ नहीं आया. First she couldn't understand anything. She was entirely blank कि वह क्या करे, and she didn't understand what to do. लेकिन बाद में उसे हिम्मत दिखाकर असंती का हाथ कसकर पकड़ा. But later on, what did she do? She showed that courage and she caught hold on of Asanti's another hand और अपनी ओर खींचने लगी and started to drag Asanti towards her. उसे इस बात का डर बिल्कुल नहीं था. But she was not at all frightened. She was not absolutely frightened. For what? कि कहीं मगरमच्छ असंती के साथ साथ उस पर भी हमला ना कर दे. She was not at all frightened of thinking that maybe the crocodile will come and attack her too. She didn't think about that. She didn't have that fear on her mind. वह मगरमच्छ से असंती को छुड़ाने में लगी थी. Her complete mind was in getting Asanti from the crocodile's trap. That was there in her mind. एक तरफ मगरमच्छ और दूसरी तरफ ममता. On one side was Mamta and on another side was the crocodile. असंती को दोनों अपनी अपनी ओर खींच रहे थे Both were dragging Asanti onto their sides. Who are they both? One is Mamta and the other one is the crocodile. They both were dragging Asanti onto their sides. काफी समय तक यही चलता रहा. For a long time this was happening over there. They were dragging onto each other's side. ममता मदद के लिए लगातार जोर जोर से चिल्ला भी रही थी. ममता for the help she was screaming. She was loudly screaming for the help from others. तभी वहां से गुजरते कुछ लोगों ने चिल्लाने की आवाज़ें सुनी. So some people were passing out nearby to that pond. They saw that, they heard that screaming. तो वे उसी की तरफ दौड़ने आए. The people rushed near to that pond, listening to that screaming sound, hearing to that screaming sound. तब तक मगरमच्छ ममता की बहादुरी के आगे घुटने टेक चुका था. But at that time itself, what has happened? The magarmach, the crocodile, has left off the Asanti's hand because it understood that Mamta is not going to leave her. मगरमच्छ ने असंती का हाथ छोड़ दिया. मगरमच्छ, what did the crocodile do? The crocodile left off Asanti's hand from its mouth. लोगों ने जब यह दृश्य देखा तो हैरान हो गए. When the people saw this incident, when they saw this scene, all were became very shocked, very astonished, very surprised. असंती को तुरंत पास के अस्पताल में ले जाकर उसकी मरहम पट्टी करवाई गई. Asanti was immediately taken to the hospital for giving the first aid for her, for giving the dressing as well as for the ointment. जब ममता के माता पिता को अपनी बच्ची की बहादुरी के बारे में पता चला तो when the parents, when the mother and the father of Mamta heard this incident, what happened? लोगों के साथ साथ उन्होंने ममता की खूब तारीफ की. Even the parents as well as the other people all praised her a lot for her bravery that she showed. ममता का नाम राष्ट्रीय वीरता पुरस्कार के लिए भेजा गया. Her name was sent for the National Bravery Prize. 26 जनवरी 2018 को गणतंत्र दिवस के अवसर पर प्रधानमंत्री ने ममता की बहादुरी के लिए उसे राष्ट्रीय वीरता पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया. On 26th January 2018, on the Republic Day, during the occasion of the Republic Day, what happened? The Pradhana Mantri, the Prime Minister, honored her, gave the reward of National Bravery Prize, and honored her with that prize, with that reward. So what is in this chapter? We understood that we should not be scared of, we should show our courage, we should show our bravery. So what is the seek? What is the moral? हमें डरना नहीं चाहिए बल्कि हिम्मत और बहादुरी से काम करना चाहिए. We should not be afraid. Instead, we should face every problem with courage and bravery. Children, always show your courage. Always show your bravery. Don't be feared of. Don't be scared of anything. And you should face each and every problem with the courage. So, did you understand the story, children? Okay, now here in the board I'll be giving the meanings. Write down the meanings. Okay. Now these are the meanings. गांव, village, अक्सर, often, नहाने, बात, मस्ती, fun, समझ, understand, मगरमच्छ, crocodile, हमला, attack, फंसा, trap, चिल्लाने, shout, हैरान, astonish, हिम्मत, courage, कसकर, tightly, खींचने, drag. Some more words are there. बिल्कुल, absolutely, मदद, help, गुजरते, passing by, मरहम, ointment, पट्टी, dressing, तारीफ, praise, गणतंत्र दिवस, Republic Day, Pradhanamantri, Prime Minister. These are the words, children. So go through it, write down the meanings, read the story for 5 times. Okay, children? So thank you.